In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post more than 10 photos on Instagram carousel post on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and one common reason why you are stuck with the 10 photo limit is that your Instagram app isn't updated to the latest version. To check for the updates, we need to head over to the App Store on an iPhone and to the Play Store on an Android. Then I'm gonna use search to search for Instagram. In that way, we can easily do so on an Android, and in that way we can do so on an iPhone. After that, we need to hit at Instagram here, and that's where we need to ensure that we have the latest Instagram app version. If this button says update instead of open, just hit on it and wait for it to download to make sure you have the latest Instagram app version installed. After updating, just restart the Instagram app if it is already open, and then try creating a post with the 20 photos. We can easily do so in this way on Instagram app for both of these platforms. Just hit right here at plus. On an Android, hit at select multiple, and then you will be able to choose several photos. As you can see, now I am able to create post with the 20 photos limit, and the same on an iPhone. To do that, we need to hit right here at this button, and after that we'll be able to choose more than 10 photos in a row. However, if for some reason updating didn't work, the problem might be due to a bug or corrupted cache files. So now I'm gonna show you how you can easily clear cache for both of these platforms. On an Android, we need to head over to settings, just swipe down from the top of the screen and then hit right here at that gear. After that, scroll down all the way until you find apps here. There it is. That's where we need to search for the Instagram app. By hitting right here, we can easily enter Instagram. That's how we can find it. And there we are looking for the option storage. After that, down below here you will find the option clear cache. All you have to do is just tap right here to clear Instagram app cache on your Android smartphone. Now, what about iPhone? On an iPhone, we need to head over to settings. After that, go to general. That's where we are looking for the option iPhone storage. Here we can easily find Instagram. We need to get into it. And once we are inside, all we have to do is just hit right here at offload app, then confirm it by tapping right here. Don't worry, this removes temporarily files but keeps your account signed in. Once the data is uploaded, hit right here at reinstall app and wait for the process to finish. It can take some time, so just keep patience. Actually, guys, this action will force Instagram to refresh itself, and it often may help you to fix some hidden bugs that limit your photo uploads. Once it is done, just open up Instagram app and check if it helps you or not. If for some reason both of the previous steps didn't help you, if you still can't upload more than 10 photos, the feature might not be available in your region yet. Instagram doesn't release new features to all users at once. Some regions get updates earlier than others. So guys, basically what you can do in that situation. First off, you can keep updating the app regularly to check if there are some new updates on your device. Also, you can use a VPN to access Instagram from a different location. By the way, I use VPN on both of these devices. Here how we can easily turn it on an iPhone, and also we can use VPN app on an Android. And that's how we can easily fix that issue even if the update is not rolled out for your country yet. Basically guys, if one of these fixes worked for you, let me know in the comments, and if you found another way to fix this issue, share it in the comments below so we can help more people. If this video was useful for you, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Instagram tips.